Well, hello everyone, this is Jason from Iron Mission. Hey, listen, we have got a helmet here, this bad boy, and I got a small problem. It fogs up on me because unlike the other helmets that I've got, I don't have a bead lock, I don't have a fog screen on here on this visor. Super simple, $20 solution that has worked for us for years and thousands of miles. I will put the Amazon affiliate link down in the description below. Let me show you how to put this thing on. It takes just a few minutes and it will change your riding experience if you are somebody who's getting, your lens is getting all fogged up in your helmet, your visor's getting all fogged up. It solves that problem forever. I'll show you how to put it on. Let's go take a look. All right, so this is what I use. Like I said, I have used them in all of these helmets right here. We've got 3 of them right there. This will be helmet number 4. Super simple, this WePro say off fog to condensation on your visor. Really easy. Let's go ahead. I'll show you step number 1. So first things first, we got to take this red tab off, and that's going to give us a cross section where we can just match this cross section up with the one that's actually on the bead lock here. And so we just peel this off. Got to be a little bit careful because once we do that here, we're going to expose the sticky parts to our actual our bead lock. And so I just put this on here. These parts here that say remove, this is going to be a temporary little piece of glue here. So we've got these little 2 things here that say remove. So we do that. And then we can just put this on just like this. So we line that there. This part didn't come completely off. And so like that. Now, what we've got there is, again, we've got this cross section here, and this is just a temporary thing. Again, it's just designed to make sure that we can line up the actual visor, the shield, on the inside once we have that. So you just kind of make sure that this line is mostly centered between a center point in your helmet, and that's really all you have to do. Now, next step, and this is going to be a little bit different depending on your helmet, but we lift up this visor. So we click this all the way up, and if I pull down on here, this just allows me to pop this right out. Your helmet might be a little bit different, but usually there is a latch right here on both sides that are going to allow you to take this off pretty easily. And so it just pops right off, and now we have this right here. And so one thing you're going to want to do, and they give you a little towel for that, is you're just going to want to wipe down the inside of the helmet real fast. You can use a glass cleaner. You can also use an alcohol rinse. This is basically a brand new helmet, so I'm not super worried about it. There's really nothing on the inside that is going to prevent the visor from not sticking. So I just wipe this down real quick. And then the next step is you take the inside visor part, and you can line up the cross sections there, and you press this down on the inside part of the actual visor. And so we want to just try to match this up as best we can. It says to kind of bend it around, and so that's what we do here. And we could see here, then we just press this in just like this. So again, I'm just kind of matching it up in the front here, matching up the lines. And then I just kind of make sure that this is nice and in place and firm. And it's roughly centered. If it's not exactly centered, so what? It's not the end of the world. But again, what this is going to do is, at least in this area here, where this protector is, this bead lock, you're not going to have to worry about your helmet fogging up. It might fog up around the perimeter, underneath and on top, but so what? And so I just press this down real quick, and then we can remove, already remove the inside. We remove this outside part here, and there you have it. And so this right here, this piece is going to prevent your helmet from fogging up. It's a simple thing to do. It's, like I said, it's 20 bucks on Amazon. I have had these things last years without any issues whatsoever, and it works perfectly fine. It's easy to clean. You clean it the same way you clean your other helmets, whether that's just like a soft rag. You can wipe this down. No big deal. Snap this back in. Fog-free helmet. There you go. Description, or the link is down in the description below.